Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can center an object or element on the page or canvas in the Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So guys, there are two ways how you can achieve this. So let us go with this example image here on this blank canvas. So what you want to do is, option number one, you left click into the object and then move it on your canvas to find the center of it. And you will see these guides, for example, that vertical and horizontal line, green and red. And you can use these for orientation and that way position the element there. But let's say, for instance, if you don't want to do this, guys, you may also left click into the object and then right click, select alignment here, and then choose center, and then do it again, right click, alignment and middle. And that is going to position it in the center, horizontally and vertically on the canvas, as you can see, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.